writing number sentences to show equal groups and multiplying by 10. Yes, I said it, multiplying by 10. We're going to, I'm going to be drawing out because I don't have like macaroni cereal or anything like that to kind of put into groups, and it's kind of hard to show down like with my hands and stuff like that. So I'm going to be showing on the board, but if your student needs some hands-on, I encourage you to use like macaroni if you have it, or something that's all the same that you could put in groups of 10, like 7 groups of 10 or something like that, that you can show easily with this. Okay, so I'm gonna get right on into it so we don't waste any time. Blank times 10. So we have seen this symbol and this symbol before. Addition, subtraction, or plus and minus, right? This is multiplication or times, okay? This is a new symbol. This means groups of 10, alrighty? So if I say 9, or if I say 9 groups of 10, it's the same thing as saying this, okay? So if it's written out like this, it's still meaning this on your paper. So if I wanted to say 9 groups of 10, now there are 9 groups with 10 items or dots in them. So you would just count by tens to figure this out, okay? So the easiest way to find out our answer to this problem would be to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay? So 9 times 10 equals 90. Okay? Or another trick that a really good math teacher showed me was to just add a 0. Do you see that? You would just add a 0. Not right there, but you would just write your 9, add a 0. So let's try that with another one. 6 groups of 10. Okay, all right, let me do my picture, because if you have a number sentence in your problem, let's try 4, 5, 6, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Well, let's try it. 6, add a 0. 6, add a 0. Well, we could also count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Is that my answer? Yes, that is. So my trick is working. Let's do another one. 12 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's try it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Well, let's see if our trick works. Write your 12, add a 0. Looky there. Add a 0. Your trick does work. Always check though. Always double check your math, guys, okay? Awesome. All right, you do have some flashcards with this one as well. You'll always see it written like this or like this for a number sentence, okay? What we did today was called multiplication. Alrighty? So, when you do something like that, it's called a multiplication fact. Alright? We can write these problems horizontally, or we can write them vertically. So I'm going to write some vertically. 10 times 10 is, what do we think 10 times 10 is? 100. All right, and then I want to challenge you. We know what 10 times 12 is, right? We did 10 times 12, and that one came out to 120. What do we think 10 times 11 is? This one is not on a flashcard, and it won't be on your fact sheet, but I just want someone to try and figure that one out. So take a moment, try and figure that one out. Pause the video. It is 110. Good job. So you'll only go up to this part on your math fact sheet, but these are just some bonus ones. This tells you how many groups, this will tell you or how many in each group, and this will tell you the total number in the group. Okay, do you see the pattern? Everything is counting by tens, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, right? Just like we count by tens, okay? We used to do that on a daily when we were in our classroom. So, y'all got this. I have no doubt about it. So, use your fact cards to practice this. They're going to be in your packet. They are a green fact card. So, if they're not on the back of a card that are already with you, they should be in a multiple of 10 in a new fact card sheet. So, they should be in there. And then you'll do fact sheet M10. So that means multiplying by 10. Okay? So go ahead and make sure you review this video before you do multiple of 10. All right, guys? So if you have any questions, or if you want me to go over this with you via FaceTime or anything, call me, set up a FaceTime conference with me or anything, and I'll gladly go over this. Parents, if you need to use manipulatives, macaroni is a good one. Blocks, if you have plenty of blocks or money, go ahead and if you have plenty of that stuff, use it. The way that we did the number sentence drawing, that's how they would draw it out if they needed to, so that's a good way to draw it. Alrighty, y'all have a great night. Bye!